what I'm gonna be eating for breakfast. It's not the biggest deal, I guess. There's just something I didn't want in the shot. That's better. Maybe we'll turn on light. I gotta grab this knife. Basically, I just got this. I just tore apart this fishtail that I got from the store. So we're going to be eating sushi. I haven't really ate avocado in a while. Ain't this a YouTube classic video? Actually, maybe we'll even throw on the shades. So yeah, it's basically, I wonder if I can get this up a little higher. Nah, I just don't have nothing to like sit it there. But yeah, this is just salmon. I think it's pretty fresh. It might have said it was from Canada. I felt it, and it was real fatty. I kind of like this shot though. Basically just put some maple syrup on this too. I guess a good soy sauce would work, but I've never had a place that has a good soy sauce. I actually did have something, but I threw it away. Yeah. So this is just some salmon. I'm gonna be real, I don't know how to fillet a fish. I didn't realize that when I seen the head and the tail. It's really good though. I used to hate fish like all my life. Now, it's not that I just really didn't like it by itself. This is really good though. I always ate breaded shrimp, basically. And like fish sticks when I was younger. This fish is like really fatty though. I wonder how like fatty it really is compared to like other meats. This is almost like the perfect meal. Tastes like water. Yeah, I mean, it's really good. Avocado. And I had some tomatoes too. I could tell my body wanted the tomatoes when I ate them. I could go for like one tomato right now, but I really want the protein too. I think that might be a bone. Nah. Yeah, but it was a real good deal. I could show you the fish head. It's actually big as hell, and it was super good price. Yeah, the guy said he was trying something new. It was only $4. What a cover photo that would be. Like I said, I just did the tail though. Probably gonna get into this. I mean, real good deal. Shades are always messed up though. I might eat a tomato. Yeah, it's kind of crazy that, I mean, it's just like you can, it's just like you can go and just fish for your own food. If you're next to like a clean water source, which you can probably, anybody can find one. And then it's like, why even pay for meat? I mean, we just live in this world where, I don't know, we don't really need technology, but I guess it's nice to have. Like, you can play instruments live, but then there's like a whole recording process. If we make like, you know, music, you make it through the computer. It doesn't matter who it is. Even if you play like a raw guitar, at the end of the day, you're still like recording it through electricity. You're, you know, getting it on the radio. There's effects. So I guess we just like take the best of both worlds, right? And that avocado is freaking smacking. Yeah. I record my videos sometime on lower qualities for a multitude of reasons. But you know, it's like the lighting's better on the lower settings. Also, it takes up less memory. But sometimes I just like that classic look. I could eat this for days. I mean, this is really good. I used to never eat fish, but this one in particular is really good. I guess I'm like Jesus, you know what I mean? just eating the fish. Well, this might be all for this small meal. Yeah. Probably eat this for the rest of the day, like the rest of the fish. Yeah. God bless everybody. Just wanted to show you what I'm eating. Yeah. If I could eat more, I'd definitely eat like the rest of this little tomato, and probably a raw eggy. But I can only eat a little bit, so at a time.